And I know I may look super tired. This thing is taking pictures of me. But I have been up all night using the restroom. Like, every time I get comfortable, I have to use the restroom. So, forgive me. But yeah, I'm doing my normal morning routine, really. And that's just, reading, writing, and get ready to start my day. So yeah, this is Monday, 37 weeks. I go to my 37-week checkup tomorrow. And if I feel the urge to pick up the camera today, I will. But I know this video is going to be probably uploaded Friday or Saturday. So yeah, but yeah, show y'all my belly. So yeah, that's the bump. But yeah, right now I'm just drinking coffee. I had a taste for coffee. I haven't had none in a couple of days. But yeah, I'm going to get the kids registered for school today. Yeah, it's going to be a busy week because they start school next week. And they're still sleeping, so yes to that. Let's see what else. And I have to go school shopping, and I have to do the girls' hair. Oh my gosh, I have to do their hair. Let's see. I have a Medicare AEP kickoff season meeting that I have to go to for our Medicare season, which starts October 15th. So it's kind of a busy week for me. So I know. I guess I use today to actually get prepared. Yeah. So but yeah. But that's it for now. It's Monday, like I said. I'm gonna show y'all my belly other than through this ash because I just got the shower. Yep, so that's 36-week belly. So I've decided to attempt to put my breast pump together, y'all. So let's see. And it says trial and error. I haven't even read the instructions. You see my other video when I took everything out. Well, y'all look at my belly. 37 weeks today. Whew. And it does work. I have plugged it up. But this is all the stuff that came with it. We finna see. I'm doing this for my bed too. Like I said, I got the wrong color. I got it in pink. I don't know. I'm just super excited that my health insurance paid for it. Maybe I shouldn't open it right now. Let's see. Yes, these are the things they want me to post. Am I on the site? I wonder, can you switch the cups just in case my nipple is too big? I don't know. I'm not gonna try and see right now. Guess I should have read the instructions first. Do not boil. Okay. Okay. So is this. And then where in the heck this thing right here goes? Oh. It's this. And I guess these are the tubes. See, us women don't have to read all the instructions. We can just look at the picture. I think. Yeah, let's see. I may have spoken too soon. So, it'll be like that. Okay. Because they charger goes right there. Thought it was a double pump though. It wasn't hard at all. Just like that. I wanted to see. Oh. Okay. But I thought it was supposed to be a double pump. Do the other wire and go right here. Okay, yeah. So it is. The other wire. Just goes in there. So of course I just wanted to play with it just because I was just sitting here trying to figure out how I'm gonna do a breastfeeding schedule. So yeah. So of course I won't be using this out in public because it's pink. But yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Yeah. So I really plan to record once I begin to go in labor. I hope it's like all my other pregnancies where, you know, I pretty much know when I'm going into labor. Yeah, I pretty much know when I'm going into labor, so I hope all my other ones is like this, and I hope it's on the weekend, and I hope baby boy comes on his due date, which is August 20th, because I really want my dad to be there, because I know he's like major support. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just to, my mind was just boggling me because I just never used a breast pump before. Yeah, so since I've been with the all natural stuff, I wanted to, you know, breastfeed all the way. But I know I'm probably gonna use the bottle too, but not formula, just breast milk. So if y'all, you know, y'all went all the way with breastfeeding, please leave me tips on, you know, like a routine, or do you just pop your boob out when your baby hungry, or do you have a schedule for breastfeeding, or just let me know. That's pretty much it. My next video will probably be what's in my hospital bag. I do have a 37-week checkup on tomorrow, and I do plan to record that. So I don't know, I may do it before the day out if I just get bored all over again. So yeah, y'all just let me know. Bye.